She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new here, my name is Jenna Evans. I am 21 years old and I am also living in Florida. So basically today what I'm doing is this look. I created this look with a lot of NYX products. So today, yesterday, I went to Target and I saw that they had a couple new things for NYX that is new for Target. So I went ahead and picked up some NYX glitter, the NYX primer glitter, and then a hydration oil and some false eyelashes. But everything else was stuff that I've already had. But if you guys like this look and want to see how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Bye guys! Okay guys, so I did get some goodies from Target yesterday. I was going to get nail polish, which actually I painted my nails. This is actually the Essie gel polish. They just came out with them. And so far I'm actually digging it. Like, I'm really hard on my nails. And so the fact that it worked, I was like, oh my god, thank god. But we'll see. I just painted them, so we'll see how they actually last. But I did get a couple things from Target. So I got the Duo self-adhesive for my eyelashes, but I always use this stuff, so it's really not like a first impressions. I got the Ardell Wispies. Now, I do always use this brand of eyelashes, but typically I do the more like natural lashes. So I'm kind of excited to try these ones. And then I also got this glitter primer. And then I got glitter. So I was like super excited when I went into Target because now they're selling the NYX glitters. And so of course I had to pick one up, and this one is in the shade MGL 105. It's basically just like the white glitter. And then I also got this thing. So like, I'm a combination skin, but during the winter my skin gets like super dry. So I found this Hydra Touch oil primer, and I thought that was like super cool. So I'm gonna try that as well. And so basically I'm just doing that as a first impressions, and then like my face stuff. So basically I'm just going to do a first impressions on the stuff that I just showed you guys from Target, and then the rest I'm going to be doing just my everyday makeup routine. I'm sure you guys have already figured out I do self-tan. Like, it's a big drastic difference. From here down I'm tan as crap, and then from here up I'm pale as crap. I know. But yeah, so let me just go ahead and get right into it, guys. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Oh gosh, look like a bald eagle. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Hydra Touch oil primer. Oh, this is so cute! I like the packaging, but I always like the packaging. But anyways, whoa. Oh, that's dope! Oh Lord, someone help me. Do I like that? I guess I'm gonna have to like really pump some. Oh, oh, oh! It does come out kind of fast. Like, I wasn't thinking that, and I got like half of it on my hand. So that's great. I'm just gonna rub this shiz in. Okay guys, so based on first impression, I like this stuff. It is pretty tacky on my face, and I'm hoping that it will absorb into my skin quickly, hopefully. It does kind of give me a dewy look, which I like. I love the dewy look. But the applicator sucks. I'm just gonna be straight up. Like, the applicator absolutely sucks. It just drips all on its own. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that. It doesn't stay in the little dropper thing. So I got half of it on my face and literally half of it all over the rest of my body. And I didn't want that to happen. But we are going to see how it pairs with my Tarte Amazon Clay. It's the Full Coverage Clay Foundation. It does have SPF 15 in it. And yeah, so I don't know if you guys noticed, but I am two-toned. I got a super pale face and a super dark body because I do self-tan. I do love self-tanning. It's like my baby. I love it. But I don't like putting the self-tanner on my face just because I always get scared that it's going to sink into my pores. Which, let me know if you guys ever want me to do a self-tanner video, because honestly, I do self-tanning once a week and it'd be super easy to do. So let me know. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and take my damp beauty sponge, like so, and I'm going to put it all over my face if I can get something out of it. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my Clinique setting powder. This is in Transparency Neutral. I've had this stuff for like years and I've always forgotten about it, honestly. So then I'm just going to take my little kabuki brush and I'm going to place this all over my face to set. So the next thing that I'm going to use is the NYX Glitter Primer. So today I'm just going to kind of do a like natural, like glittery eye look. So let's see if I can open this packaging. Okay. So this is the NYX Glitter Primer. It's the base. I haven't put anything on my eyes yet. So now I'm just gonna prime the eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with, the BH Cosmetics V5. It's just like a flat brush. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna go in with Flower Child right there. So I'm going to go in with the NYX Glitter Primer again, and I'm going to go ahead and pat some more glitter primer on the inner portions of my eyeballs. My eyelids. So I went ahead and also put the NYX glitter right here. I'm just going to kind of like show without it dumping all over the place. Just because I don't want it to get everywhere and I want it to still have a place to put it. And then I'm just going to take a flat brush and I'm going to actually spritz it with my Marc Jacobs Coconut, what is it called? The Perfect Coconut Setting Mist. So I'm going to make it a little damp. Alright, and then I'm just going to take my Tarte palette and grab some glitter and press. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and do my eyelashes off of camera, and now I'm going to go into my brows. So most of the time I just use the Benefit Brow Pencil, or Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm in the shade 3, which is like a medium brown. Oh yeah, and also let me know if you guys want me to like do a review, because I'm gonna get my eyebrows microbladed like hopefully sometime soon. I'm super excited for it because honestly my eyebrows look nothing even close to being the same. Like, they are not sisters. They are not even cousins. Like, they are maybe 4th or 5th cousins. They just, nothing alike. Yeah, let me know if you guys want a video about it. I mean, if they let me, I can even try and, like, get video of, like, how she does it and stuff like that, you know? But who knows? But I'm definitely getting them done soon, because I'm so sick and tired of penciling my eyebrows in every single day. Like, I can leave with just mascara on, but I always have to do my eyebrows. So now that I'm done with my eyes, I really hope you guys like the eye look. I love it. I'm probably gonna have to go buy more of those glitters, honestly though. Like, but yeah, so now I'm gonna go into the Kat Von D Shade Light palette. I'm sure you guys can tell how often I use this. Like, it's kind of bad. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with that. So I'm just gonna contour my cheekbones. I'm gonna go in with the Subconscious one right there. Okay, so now that I sculpted out my cheekbones, now I'm gonna go in with the Betty Luminizer from The Balm. If I can open it. It looks like this. And I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush from Morphe. I always use this brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on my cheekbones. And then I'm going to go back in with the Shade and Light palette. I'm going to go back in with that color, and I'm going to carve out me nose because I absolutely hate my nose. Fun fact. And I try and make it look as small as I possibly can. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and put some chapstick on because I'm not really feeling a lipstick for this look. I'm just going to go in with the Becca. This is their 2 shades, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's the Mineralizing Blush and Champagne Splits. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my tutorial today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Overall, I do love the look. I love the eyelashes. I just kind of got to get used to them because they're a little thicker than what I'm used to. But the glitter primer and the glitter as well, I actually really like. Like, when I have the glitter primer on there, it keeps all the loose glitter on my eyelids. Like, none of it has fallen out other than when I first applied it. I would suggest, if you're going to do what I did, to bake underneath your eyes first so none of the glitter gets underneath of them and gets stuck to your foundation. I gotta still keep playing with the primer though, the oil primer, just because off of first impression, I can't tell if it really did anything to my face, so I'll have to use this again and do maybe like a wear with you guys, you know, and like go out and do stuff and then come back and then let you guys know if it like made my face oily or if it actually like made my face stay hydrated throughout the day or what. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys want me to do any other type of videos. And also let me know if you guys want me to do a video on my microblading and on anything else. Just let me know. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you later. Bye!